Well, they say two things in life are certain: death and taxes. Tuesday is the dreaded deadline to get those taxes done, so we've got some tips to help you save yourself from spending and sending too much money to Uncle Sam. Sandy Botkin is a certified public accountant. He's a lawyer and author of the book Lower Your Taxes Big Time. Sandy, thanks for being with us. All right, you've identified some tips for us on overlooked tax deductions, and the very first one is, this one really caught my eye: everybody must start a home-based business right now. Explain.
Absolutely. We have two tax systems in this country. And when I say that, people think one for rich and one for poor, and that's not quite right. There's one to make you rich and there's one to make you poor. If you're an employee, you're taxed on $1. And if you have any employee expenses, they have to exceed a high threshold. But if you're self-employed, you can write off a lot of your expenses before the government gets one dime of income. And if that business generates a loss, it can be used against any form of income you have. Interest, dividends, wages, rents, pensions, anything. In fact, if you're self-employed, you could write off part of your house, your spouse, the equivalent of your kids' education and weddings. It's enormous.
Wow. All right, let's move to number two.